Hey everyone, in this video we will see why is my Spectrum remote volume not working. Easy fix for audio control. Fix 1 is check if the remote is controlling the TV. Turn on your TV and Spectrum cable box, then press the volume up and volume down button on the Spectrum remote. If the volume does not change, use the TV's original remote to test the volume. If the TV remote works, the Spectrum remote may need to be programmed again. Second one is replace the remote batteries. Open the battery compartment on the remote, then remove the old batteries. Insert two new batteries, making sure they are placed correctly. Then close the battery cover, then touch the volume button again. Third one is reprogram the Spectrum remote. Turn on your TV, then put the Spectrum remote into programming mode. Then enter the correct TV code for your TV brand, then save the programming when the TV responds. Press the volume up and volume down button to check if they works. Fourth one is restart the TV and cable box. Turn off the TV and Spectrum cable box, then unplug both devices from the power outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds. Plug them back in and turn them on. Test the remote volume button. Fifth one is reset the Spectrum remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Insert the batteries again, then reprogram the remote to your TV if needed. Then touch the volume buttons. Thanks for watching.